India is said to be a country of villages. What flashes your mind when I say village life? Rampant illiteracy, inadequate infrastructure, a place with unhygienic water, no electricity, farming as the only occupation, and forget women empowerment. Well, what if I tell you there is a village challenging that cliched idea? Thekekarwadi has groomed a different image of a small town. Thekekarwadi, a minute population with 1,100 people and 163 households, has spiritedly constructed within itself a modern society founding the pillars of education, women empowerment, food, water and energy resources. Here, the women actively participate in the day-to-day work of Gram Panchayat as a mandate. Women of this village have set up a small funding mechanism where they collect money to support the group in setting up cottage business. 60% of our body is made up of water, a fact opportuned by the Gram Panchayat by installing a RO system that provides purified drinking water at ₹5 per 20 litre. Education is a weapon that can change the world. Erstwhile, Gram Panchayat took the initiative to educate children and the illiterate. Mediums that are modern, computer-oriented and interactive are utilized, leading to further development. Notably, farmers are given field-specific education, namely seeds to be sown, the kind of irrigation system to be utilized for optimum results. This has currently prompted the drip irrigation technique. Renewable energy is recognized as value addition to quality living. Gram Panchayat promote bio-friendly methods by installing windmills, solar panels, biogas plant and a solar water heater. To counter detrimental effects of defecation, the Gram implemented zero tolerance policy, ensuring that all the households have proper lavatories. Surprise supervision is undertaken, ensuring compliance. Projects currently embarked by the Gram Panchayat include structuring of waste drainage system and underground transfer of biogas. A noteworthy aspect of Thekekarwadi Gram Panchayat is their desire to be self-sufficient in all aspects and eliminate need for dependence on outside sources. To achieve that, they intend to set up small cottage businesses which can generate more employment at village level. The extra income is planned to be utilized for the development of the nearby villages. Should all villages pursue this vision, India is assured to lead at its vital grassroots level. By doing so, India and its people will give life to the compelling words of the great father of our nation. The future of India lies in villages.